Okay guys, Menardo Rob here, and I'm going to show you why I'm Menardo. Because obviously you can hear the wind because it's gale force winds. Look, this is the Gulf of Mexico, guys. We're not supposed to have waves. Okay, those are some serious freaking waves in the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, besides those two idiots over there, I'm the only person on the beach. You should see that sand blowing. But hey, I'm going to go find a quarter. Yep, I'm a Menardo. Okay gang, it's so windy I can't even hear the signals in my headphones. You can see the sand blowing across the beach. See the waves coming in. Yep, I'm the only moron on the beach. My first signal. Alright, we're going to dig this. Stand by. Okay. I might get a coin here in gale force winds. Look at that. Look at that. We have scored a green coin. It's too small to be a penny. I think it's a Roosevelt. All right. Woohoo! Before the wind takes us away. Woohoo, guys! Our second penny in the gale force winds, our second coin. We got ourselves a copper penny. Woohoo! And right next to the copper penny, the machine says there should be a quarter. Nope. What do we got? Oh, look at that, a corroded quarter. Woohoo! We got our quarter now. Hot damn. Right next to the quarter, I'm getting a dime signal. This might be a nice little area here next to this picnic table. Look at that. It is another Lincoln copper penny. All right. Well, gang, we just got a 12 reading, bouncing up to a 16, but there it is, a beach nickel. We got our quadfecta today, pennies, dime, nickel, and quarter. Alrighty, we might be blowing away here soon. Gang, Rob here. Got snot coming out my nose because it's so cold. It started raining again after I found that last nickel. But look at this guy. Look at that guy in his trunks and no shirt. He's out there body surfing or windsurfing or something. He says he's from Boston, so this isn't cold. Yeah, he's out of his flipping mind. I'm freezing my ass off. Okay, guys. I hate to leave here because Fort DeSOTO is almost 50 miles from the house, and I don't get down here often. Plus, we got in free today because we did the volunteer hunt for the relics. So, but I'm calling it, guys. We are getting a little bit, a teeny bit of blue coming through, but this wind is just insane. Alright. Okay, we are back in the safe confines of our car. Oh my gosh, does this feel nice without that wind blowing? Man, I don't think you can see it from here, but you should see those waves out there in the ocean. Well, actually the Gulf. Just unbelievable today. You'd think we were in a nor'easter. But hey guys, look, next to my car. A surface fine, a grill light, and it works. There's a flame. Maybe I can warm up. Cool. Not bad for a surface fine. Alright guys, we're heading back towards the house. Guys, look at these palm trees blowing. I mean, yeah. We haven't had winds like this since Hurricane Irma. Alrighty. Alright guys, how windy do you think it is to keep a flag that big flying parallel to the ground? Because that flag is huge. Prettiest flag in the world. Hey gang, I'm a glutton for punishment. Here I am at a small sports complex in the city of Tierra Verde, and they have a tot lot. I am just on the causeway coming over from Fort DeSOTO, and I saw this little sports complex with a tot lot. I'm going to go do my third hunt of the day, even though it's freezing out here. Okay, our third signal, we got a 38, less than an inch down. Boom, just pulled ourselves out a copper penny. Alrighty guys. Well gang, it's taken a while. We only found 2 or 3 coins on the tot lot, which is amazingly clean. We came here to the regular part of the field, and we just got ourselves a 12-16 reading and got ourselves a nickel. All right, guys. Well, guys, the machine, I had an iffy 42, said it was possibly down there deep, and you can see how much I had to dig out. But look down there in the hole, guys. Bam! It's taken a while to find a decent coin today. All right, well, that's been down there a long time. It's got that red patina. All right, guys. Okay, I think we're going to call it a day after that quarter. The wind's still blowing. I'm sure you can hear in the camera. Apparently, rich kids don't drop as much money as other kids. This park's pretty clean. I'll have to come back and do it another time when it's a nice day. Alrighty. Look at this, guys. Is that the prettiest copper statue you've ever seen at a ballpark? Beautiful. Hey gang, Rob here for the recap of yesterday's second and third hunts down by Fort DeSOto. Hey, there's my assistant again, playing with one of the surface finds that I found for him. Alright, let's do the beach that I did out there in Gale Force winds. 6 coins, which was great because my goal was just 1 quarter if you heard me through the blinding wind. Quarter, dime, nickel, 3 copper pennies, 2 1970s and a 1964D. So these pennies have been down there a while, but they're still in pretty good shape. And then when I looked at the nickel and was able to get a date off 1970, I thought, you know, I better start checking the dates on these. I got the dime clean enough, got that red layer. It's almost like a red film that goes on it like a paint in our Florida soil near the water. And I cleaned that until I could see a 2, so I didn't worry about that being silver with a 2000 in front of it. And then I figured the quarter wasn't silver because it's not shiny and it was all corroded. And don't yell at me, guys, but I took a little knife and scraped down where the date was and could see it's a 1967. So again, close to silver. Hey, my little surface find just disappeared, didn't it? Yep, just went bouncing down to the floor there. Okay, and then we went to the little park in Tierra Verde, down on the causeway right near the fort, and we got a quarter nickel. I can't get a date off the quarter, but it's also got the red corrosion on it. Another, I think 1970D penny, another copper. And then our first one, zinking. I thought we'd go a whole day without a zinking. So four coins there, and that was a nickel. And then just a few pieces of aluminum, part of a can. And I would have thought if I was in a crappier neighborhood that this would have been like a crack pipe. But I was in a very exclusive neighborhood, which doesn't mean you can't have a crack pipe, but there's no residue. It's just a broken piece of a pen with a custom address on it. So anyway, and then here's our 4 surface finds. We got ourselves a nice grill lighter that actually works. Look at that. And then we got a nice little conch shell off the beach, a little mini conch shell. 2 really nice aluminum screws on the ground at the park. And a whole bottle, brand new filled bottle of Finding Dory Bubble Bullies. Bubble Bulls. Okay, whatever that is. And the cats are real big on bubbles. So, and that's it, along with this. A little squishy ball we found on the surface that they are just absolutely going bananas over. So, but I'll show you how much they like the bubbles. Stand by. They just don't know what the hell they are.